Square say More Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanga kukwepa nino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa garoka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nas More Zimbabwe takwigirai nyaya kupisa nyaya netsa nyaya ye ma armed robbers hayo akaba mari KuEcobank Bulawayo mukutari Bulawayo tarwa trukuita. It's been 4 days. My investigations, they are still ongoing, and tarwa trukuita zurikunzi vano avasati vabatwa. Mapurisa akataura iwo achiti they have deployed ma teams avo maguta akasiyana siyana kuti vaonekwe vachita carry out my investigations zvakare ma searches ema armed robbers iwawa. Kwatiri kuita mapurisa haana chati awana so far pane information yati yabuditswa yekunzi one of ma most wanted men uyo arikunzi he was involved mu robbery ye gold kuHau mine, and he was present by this robbery case muri Zimbabwe. Nyaya yakabuditswa nemaizimbabwe.com vachitaura vachiti the audacious daylight robbery of 4.42 million from an Ekuba branch in Bulawayo has left Zimbabwean police grappling with what could be the country's largest cash heist in history. 4 days on, the 6 armed robbers remain at large and the investigation is far from over. The brazen attack captured on CCTV involved the targeting of a safeguard cash in transit vehicle parked outside the Ekubank Packet branch. Armed with AK-47s, the robbers overpowered the security guards, seizing their weapons: a shotgun with 2 rounds, a pistol, make and type unknown, with 10 rounds, and a Canik 9mm pistol with 5 rounds, before making off with the substantial sum of money. Assistant Inspector Nomalanga Msebele, Bulawayo's acting police spokesperson, described the attack, saying 3 of the cash and transit details were armed. The accused persons approached the cash and transit team, assaulted the details with the butt of the AK-47 rifles they were carrying, and disarmed the security team. The suspects ordered the security team to lie down on their stomachs and warned them against raising any alarm. The security team complied, and the accused persons took away their guns. The accused persons dragged 3 trunks, direct cash, loaded them into a getaway vehicle, and drove off at high speed. The suspects took away the 3 guns which they had taken from the security team. Remarkably, the entire heist unfolded in just 149 seconds. Adding to the intrigue, acted inconspicuously, blending in with the public before assisting with loading the cash boxes. A Bulawayo street vendor even recounted selling the robber bubblegum for a single rand moments before the robbery, noting the robber remained silent throughout the transaction. The getaway vehicle's number plate, initially believed to belong to a Ford Ranger, has since been identified as belonging to a Mazda Demio, suggesting the plate may have been stolen elsewhere, widening the scope of the police investigation. Police spokesperson Paul Nyati confirmed these developments. I can't confirm that a team from Harare has been sent to assist with investigations, but I can say that we have widened our investigations and are no longer just looking for the suspects in Bulawayo. We are exploring all avenues where the suspects could have escaped to and are hiding. Extensive interviews with Ecobank staff and the safeguard security team were conducted late into the night following the robbery in an attempt to piece together the events. The robbery has sparked intense speculation, particularly regarding potential inside involvement. Police initially suggested the heist pointed towards an inside job, a suspicion fueled by a statement from safeguard security, seemingly blaming Ecobank for insufficient communication regarding the substantial cash transfer. Safeguard CEO Andrew Malone stated, "We wish to remind all customers of their responsibility to work within their contracted limits. and to communicate clearly with us if a cash movement is to be out of the ordinary. This allows us to plan and approach the risks appropriately. He emphasized the risk associated with moving 4.4 million, describing it as well outside any contracted limits for safeguard and almost certainly the security industry Africa-wide. The professionalism displayed by the robbers has also raised eyebrows. A former police officer commented, When I first saw the video, I thought it was a mock drill until I read in the press that the robbery actually happened. Studying the videos shows that these were not your ordinary armed robbers. The composure they showed in stealing the money indicates otherwise. This observation, coupled with the history of security force members' involvement in armed robberies, has led to speculations about potential links to saving or former soldiers. Home Affairs Minister Kazembe previously admitted in the Senate the involvement of former police officers and soldiers in numerous armed robbery cases. In March 2022, 3 soldiers were sentenced to 15 years imprisonment for armed robbery by a Zimbabwe Defense Forces court-martial. Security experts believe the recovered AK-47s could provide crucial clues to the robbers' identities and backgrounds. The robbers' swift disappearance remains a significant mystery. A security expert noted how the robbers have disappeared without trace raises a lot of questions. Unfortunately, we may never know the full story if the robbers are shot dead, as we have seen before. It will remain one of the mystery stories for years to come. This comment alludes to the controversial government policy previously confirmed by President Emerson Mnangagwa's spokesperson, George Charamba, authorizing police to shoot and kill suspected armed robbers. Police Commissioner Godwin Matanga has also publicly affirmed this policy. Numerous instances of suspected robbers being shot by police, especially during crime scene reconstructions, indications have fueled concerns about accountability and due processes. Despite the lack of arrests, police spokesperson Paul Nyati assures the public that the investigations are ongoing. We are still conducting investigations. We have not affected areas as yet, but I can assure the public that the police are conducting comprehensive investigations with a view of accounting for the suspects and also establishing what actually transpired regarding the robbery, especially if you look at the manner in which this armed robbery case occurred. Commissioner Nyati said he deferred providing up-to-date statistics on armed robberies, promising to provide them later. The ongoing investigation, extending beyond Bulawayo, reflects the seriousness of the crime and the determination to apprehend those responsible. The recent firearm amnesty, which concluded on September 30th, resulting in the surrender of 538 guns and 260 rounds of ammunition, provides a backdrop to the readily available illegal firearms, although the sophistication of this robbery suggests a more organized operation. Meanwhile, speculation continues with notorious armed robbers Elijah Vumbunu, believed to be operating from South Africa, mentioned as a potential suspect. The 4.2 million remains a major ongoing investigation, highlighting significant security challenges faced by Zimbabwean financial institutions. Ndo mabuditiro wakati wa nyaya iyi muri Zimbabwe tisingaziye kuti munena sei nyaya yetu zezo muri kufunga mu comment section.